Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the benefits of fenugreek seed water for human health. Did you know that drinking fenugreek seed water could help reduce your blood sugar levels by up to 25%? It's true. Fenugreek seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. And today, I'm going to dive into why this simple drink could be a game changer for your health. These days, many of us struggle with common health issues like digestive discomfort, inflammation, and erratic blood sugar levels. Sound familiar? While there are countless products out there promising quick fixes, the solution might actually be simpler and more natural than you think. Try fenugreek seed water, a traditional remedy that's gaining attention for its potential to address these exact problems. Let's talk about why fenugreek seed water is becoming a go-to remedy for so many people. First, it's amazing for digestion. The soluble fiber in fenugreek seeds helps to smooth out digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. Next, if you're concerned about blood sugar spikes, drinking fenugreek seed water can actually help lower blood sugar levels, thanks to its ability to improve insulin sensitivity. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption can help reduce internal inflammation, promoting overall wellness. These benefits aren't just old wives' tales, they're backed by science. Let me share a powerful story with you. There are well-known cases of individuals who have struggled with high blood sugar levels for years. They tried everything, diets, medications, you name it. But nothing made a lasting difference. That was until they started drinking fenugreek seed water daily. Within weeks, they noticed a significant drop in their blood sugar levels, and their energy levels soared. This simple habit became a key part of their daily routine, and they haven't looked back since. So, to recap, fenugreek seed water can help improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. It's a simple, natural remedy that could make a big difference in your health. Why not give it a try? Have you ever tried fenugreek seed water? Or do you have another favorite natural remedy? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're interested in more natural health tips, don't forget to check out my videos with health-related topic. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.